Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally have a video for you guys with the baby. It's been a little bit tough, but this mama is making it work. So I did this look for you using my Kylie Jenner single eyeshadows. So this is basically a first impressions. It was my first time using it, so stay tuned. Okay, so to test out these eyeshadows, I wanted to use my same old method. So I went in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow potion, and this one is in Eden, and I always choose Eden because it allows the eyeshadows to really pop and it neutralizes my eyelids. Now we're going to go into the star of this whole entire video, and it's the Kylie Jenner single eyeshadows, and this color is Jasper. I decided to use Jasper because it's just same color of my eyeshadow potion, so it wasn't going to change anything. It just helped set everything. Then I went in with this gorgeous soft metallic gold color, and it's called Quartz, and I put it in my inner corners as well as my brow bone. I decided to highlight all my highlighting areas first so that I couldn't overlap any of the darker eyeshadows. So now I went in with Honey, Sweet Like Honey, and this color is absolutely beautiful as your transitional shade. Once again guys, the transition shade is the medium color between the dark crease color and your light brow bone. I used a blending brush and it did blend perfectly. It was nice and buttery. Then I went in with Goddess, and this color is a red brick, but it has a bit of shimmer to it. It is considered like a matte red brick with shimmer, and it is absolutely stunning. I was dying to use it, so I went in with a more dense brush. This one is just like a dome brush, and then I blended it out with my blending brush, and I can show you guys right here that it was blending out really easily. So yeah, I really think that she knows what she's doing with her eyeshadows. These are not my first Kylie Jenner eyeshadows, but I wanted to see how she did with the individual ones because sometimes formulas change, but she stood pretty true and I love it. This eyeshadow I saw she wore on her birthday, and it's an olive shimmery cream eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I wanted to get my hands on it, and so as soon as I saw that it was for sale, I absolutely grabbed it. So this was from her birthday collection, and it's called Born to Sparkle. It's so beautiful. It did not appear as olive on me as it did on her. Our complexions are different, but it did look absolutely stunning, and it's one of my favorite eyeshadows that I own now. So then I went in with this plum eyeshadow and a pencil brush because I wanted to be really precise. And as you can see guys, I do not have any fallout, which is something that I look for when applying eyeshadow. Now I don't mind having some fallout because I know that that's part of eyeshadows sometimes, but when it's like crazy fallout on your face, like that's just insane. So I went ahead and applied my foundation because I felt pretty confident in applying the rest of my eyeshadow with foundation on. So you can see my foundation routine down below in my description box. And so yeah, now I went in with this color called Bible, and I just wanted to darken my outer corners, so I used a pencil brush so I could be precise, and I just applied this really dark plum eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eyes, and as you can see, it really enhanced the outer corners. Then I went in with Born to Sparkle again with a smaller brush so I can be super precise, and I applied this to my lower lash line so I can mirror the top lash line. And once again guys, this color is absolutely beautiful and it sets wonderfully, so you can feel really confident applying this and it's not going to transfer or look any different at the end of the night. Now I went in with my favorite eyelashes. I did not need to show you guys how to apply lashes, but if you want, I can do a full lash video. If you need any help, I can show you how I do it. So then I went in with this Bare Minerals lip liner called Genius, and I just lined my entire lip. This is going to help prevent bleeding. And then I went in with the lipstick. This is an ultra matte lipstick, 976 by L'Oreal, and don't get it twisted, this is not going to dry your lips out. Even though it says ultra matte, you can see my lips look nice and hydrated. So guys, YouTube will not notify you if I post a video unless you hit that little bell next to my name. If you do not want to miss any of my tutorials, be sure to hit the little bell. So yeah. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and first impressions on Kylie Jenner single eyeshadows. I really enjoyed the texture of them. As I've mentioned, they're super buttery and easy to blend out. Leave comments below of future videos you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, stay beautiful.